A. Say A sa, A sa. Uy. Uy. A. Hey everyone, this is me Beth again. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, for today's video, we will gonna go to somewhere down the road. Or, I mean, like, we were gonna go to check another farm. Ay, sana all rich kid. Sana all daming farm. I mean, yeah, we were gonna check here if there's still some fruits there. If there is, then thank you, Lord. Right? So, let's go! Yahoo! Ay, layo pa man sila kaka. Guys, there's a lot of bananas here. But this is not ours, ha? Baka you will think. This is very demure, very mindful. That's the road to heaven. What? Pasok na sa kuweba. Ay, ano, oh no! Sorry. Very demure, see? Di ba anak ko mama, di na ako magpajama pang lalaki. Iya, kailangan na dyan nato ni magchinilas. Ay, magtiniil. Diyan ba ako na lamig? Ano? Guys, look at our chinelas. For more sponsors. Sige ako, may slide ah. Guys, this is such a good workout. See? How many ano lang pa muna, pero my sweat is ano na getting there. What? Namado na ako sa ano ko, how I could be able to climb up later on. Pasipin natin na isang malaking kuweba. Ay, may traffic kuweba. It's color yellow, that's why I like it. You know guys, you know guys, if you don't know, I belong here kasi I'm a half monkey. You know? So this is my part. Like my dad will gonna give me this one because I am the only monkey on the family. So look at that guys. I thought I could be able to climb. Look at that guys. Pakita gud la ay pakita gud ya. What's that?
Pokemon.
Pokemon? Shout out the ay sa mga tao nga sige pangawat dire. Salamat. Kung mangawat gani mo, ano ayaw mo pagbili ng footprints on the sun ha? Yes. Next time if you want to steal our lanzones, you can harvest them all and then give us. Give us a piece of bread. Hi, mommy. What's that? How to eat the lanzones? You're not allowed to eat that kasi you are sick. What? That's my dad. Papasid na yan na dala pa. Dabong. Dabong. Ano magbasi pang? Murala pang. Diba? Gano'n kayo, wala nyo kayo ba? This is a bamboo tree. And look at this. Look what we found. Oh. What's that part between? See. I don't know what's that part. It's called a bong. We can eat that. Whatever. Pait na ni Pang. Gani.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Pait na aslong. Ulang pag hinog. May kakainan nila lang ang hinaan.
A few moments later.
Dito pa, sige pa, sige pa.
It was at this moment that he knew. He
Oh, dala.
fucked up.
Oh no!
Sige pa, sige. Eh. Guys, we were gonna find my sister kasi she wants to cook lang but I don't know where she is na. Uy! Mami! Me! It's always sad to say kasi there's a lot of people here that even they don't own the fruits, we will still gonna pick it without the permission of the owner. So look at the look at the footprints. See? That's the proof that there's really here. Where she pooped, guys. Where? Wala nang hilo. Yuck! This. Look at that. If you can. Wala. Like, there is the poop, guys. Are you satisfied? One. Asa? Saging. So my dad and my brother is heading here now. So we were gonna go to the mangosteen area. Hey! See. It's the lanzones. Oh my goodness. Shout out sa mga taong kawatan. Dili gani inyo nga, dili mo manghilabot. Kaya ang tagya dili kakaon. Oy, nani? Be, ako sa lo. Come here. Min, sama niyo mo. Ipa ang dere, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kung pila ikuha na mo ni sulod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sige, let's try. If it's really 7. 7 yun lang ito. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ba? Tomorrow to. Hey, so that's it mga kasmile. Wala kami napala. Ay, meron namang napala. A little bit. Yeah. Shout out again sa mga anaran ha, magnanakaw. Because can you see that? Yeah. Like, that's my, my banana. This is the worst part. Ayaw, dahil mo ginawa. Ano, kung bukdun dahil mo na. Alat! Sakit akong tiil!
Laughing, having fun.
Ay! Wait lang! Ganda akong tiil! Wait lang! Ay!
Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more.
Masaw na. What? Di, asa. Wala. Asa. Babaw. Ay. And thank you so much my beautiful people for watching this video, and please don't forget to give me thumbs up, comments below, share this to your family and friends, and of course, subscribe.
Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more.
And again, this is Beth. Always remember to spread love, joy, positivity, kindness to each and everyone. Keep shining, my beautiful people. See you on my next video. Mwah!